Another recipe. I'm cooking some creamy chicken pasta today. So what I did, I diced my sausage up and I diced some chicken up. I diced one onion. I diced a bunch of kale, 3 small tomatoes. And I browned my chicken and my sausage first, and then I added my tomato, onion, and kale. Okay, y'all. Next step is gonna be I'm gonna sprinkle it with 2 tablespoons of flour. That's gonna thicken it and make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna give that a stir. Stir that up. And then my next step, you're gonna add 2 cups of milk. So 2 cups of milk and a little ranch dressing. So I put the milk into my ranch bottle to get all the ranch out there. I'm pouring my 2 cups of milk in there. Give that a stir. And what you're going to do is you're going to let this bubble and boil. Once it starts to bubble and boil and you see that it's thick, you're going to put your pasta in. Alright, y'all. Y'all see? The sauce is thick now. So what you want to do is you want to add your pasta. Add your pasta. Sorry, that's my brother.
I thought it was going to wait.
Add your pasta. Stir that in there. Alright, y'all. See, I added my pasta in now. Nice and blended together. I'm going to add my cheddar cheese to it. Adding my cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese. Mix that in. Alright, y'all. Now that my cheese has melted in there, next step is going to be seasoning. Season it. I'm going to put some black pepper in there. Season with some black pepper. Black pepper. Parsley. A little salt, not a lot. Just a little, because you already got your seasoning in. That's all. A little Tony Satcher seasoning. Number 1 seasoning. Remember that. A little bit of that, not a lot. Then you garnish with your green onion. Give it a stir. Creamy chicken and sausage pasta. Alright, y'all, and that's it.